everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. मैं हूँ चारू और I'm back here with all the tips which I have promised you in the previous video. And so let's begin. Top 3 small caps stocks to invest in 2021. So the first share which we recommend is Galaxy Surfactants. Accumulate at level of 2000, target 2500, holding period 1 year, long term target 3500 in 3 years. Fundamental analysis: strong balance sheet and consistent cash flow performance in chemical business except in lockdown. Bullish and confident management looking to grow the health, hygiene and chemical business all across the country. High cash flow growth at MNC clients of oleochemicals in large part of India. Though margins have deteriorated during COVID-19, the long-term guidance remain intact. When Sensex hits 50,000 points, naturally all blue chips and sound quality companies will be trading at or near their lifetime highs. So currently any dip can be used to add this stock, as it gives an opportunity to accumulate this stock at a reasonable level following Warren Buffett's principle of buying fear and selling greed. Technical analysis. Currently, the stock is in a bull market phase and going up in a range-bound manner with a lot of dips in between and sudden price crashes to generate unpredictability among the traders. I believe that this stock can be a trading as well as long-term investment opportunity. Its resilient business model is suggesting downside may be limited, which is also supported by the fact that the institutional investor stakeholding is rising consistently. The positive trend line is honored on occasions and is a bit unpredictable because it is giving a lot of dips indicating strong resistance at higher ends. It is valued at a higher PE currently compared to some peers. So if any dips come, take them as buying opportunities and use them for trading and long-term investing. For trading, the range could be to buy around 2000 and sell around 202,000 in couple of weeks. Holding time if the trend line support and resistance is honored consistently. For long-term investments, once keep the stock for a target about 3000 for 3 years. Past year performance of the stock price in the stock never showed a big downside. It doesn't have a consistent trend to play the trend and reward the investors and traders regularly. So there is unpredictability, which makes suggest use of 50% of stock for trading and balance for long term. As the company fundamentals are intact and it's a long-term growth story within evergreen chemical sector. Our next share is Jyoti Resins. Accumulate at level of 400 for long-term target rupees 1000 in holding period of 3 years. Fundamental analysis. Consistent ROE and cash flow generating performance in chemical business except for lockdown. Fundamentally sound management delivering exceptionally good performance with an improvement in market share on a consistent basis year on year. Small cap stock with a small share capital base and high cash flow growth coupled with limited cost of funds make the stock attractive as it generates more returns for the shareholders. Though margins have deteriorated during COVID-19, the long-term guidance remain intact. Also, it's evident that the performance of this company is going to be fabulous considering that promoter holding has risen during the COVID-19 lockdown. Currently, the stock is in a bull market phase and going up in a consistent manner. The positive trend line is honored on occasions and every dip is bought into, indicating strong support at the lower end. It is valued at a reasonable PE given the performance and market cap has also crossed rupees 150 crore in the near term, which indicates exceptional performance. It has a consistent trend to play the trend and reward the investors and traders regularly. So there is lesser unpredictability, which makes me suggest to accumulate this stock like gold and keep it in locker for a very long term, as if the revenues sustain, there is going to be really amazing and deep value generated by this company for its investors, banking on its long-term growth story with an evergreen chemical sector. Our next share is Narayana Hrudyalaya. Accumulate at levels of 450 for long-term target rupees 700 in holding period 2 years. The stock has delivered consistent performance, nice cash flow, generating business model with a great clientele. It has a healthy balance sheet and delivered good returns to the shareholders since hitting the lows of 183 in the start of 2019. Now it's nearing the priced market cap of rupees 10,000 crore. Strong annual EPS growth and stock with a consistent financial performance. Quality management and strong technical momentum, indicating good investor enthusiasm and excitement. Technical analysis. Stock is having a bullish crossover and a strong RSI index, which indicates buying at dips and resistant level taken out quickly and never tops being made. The company has started delivering values to shareholders in terms of generating market capitalization since 2016 to 2018 phase, and after breaking out from the rectangular pattern and making that dip to 182, it has gone up every quarter. The technical indicators indicated a bullish momentum is likely to continue in this stock, and the stock will soon come out of small cap zone and become a mid or large cap with delivery of consistent performance on an yearly basis. It's attracted the attention of FIIs also after the MSCI rejig. The prices are taking out new highs every month, and the trend will continue till company gets more institutional buying interest. All the leading and lagging technical indicators suggest a short-term target of 500. Here, I will recommend to buy 50% of holding for short term and 50% for long term for this stock, whose market value is nearing rupees 10,000 crore. Short-term target is rupees 500 in a month's time, and long-term target is rupees 750 if performance and growth remains intact. If you like the stocks recommended by us, do like my videos and share it amongst all family, friends and relatives and all of your social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and every Signal, every social media platforms, so that more and more people can learn about our stocks and make investments of their hard-earned money in good quality stocks. And also if the number of views increases, it motivates our team of professionals to do more gold digging inside the Dalal Street and search quality stocks with the potential to deliver really amazing results. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel and become the mate of Dalal Street, and don't and notifications, and when videos are uploaded by our team, make sure to press the bell icon so that whenever any video is getting uploaded, you should get the notification instantly. And it is very vital to succeed in a stock market, so that whenever our video is uploaded, you should go ahead and watch the video. So watching this video on time immediately when it is uploaded is crucial to the success of the viewers. It is a treasure of riches put in front of you by some professionals, so don't quit in between. To understand the content present here, kindly watch the video right till the end, and if watching the entire video, if you have any doubts or any problems or any questions, please comment in the comment section below. and we will revert you as soon as possible with the possible answers. We accumulate all valuable information and ideas from these sources, as well as mix the insights of all the professionals and using our presentation skills. We strive to deliver quality videos from our end to help you understand the content easily and in quick time, and help you wisely make investments. Do remember that all the investments are subject to market risks, and before entering the stock market, please do consult your financial advisor before considering our stocks or also any professional YouTubers. We are a new channel and we look forward to grow it by leap and bounds by delivering a great quality of content consistently.